Hello, and welcome to PeatDataHub. In this three-part tutorial, we will be learning how to upload Eyes on the Bog sites and their associated measurements in conjunction with our partner, the IUCN's peatland program. First, we will establish an Eyes on the Bog site. We will begin by navigating to the Peatland Sites tab, as Eyes on the Bog sites require a peatland site to be established ahead of time. Please refer to our peatland sites tutorial if you've missed how to do this. You can select the peatland site via the magnifying glass in the right-hand side, then select the EOB Monitoring Sites tab, and select Add EOB Monitoring Site. This will bring you to a screen where you can enter the metadata for your EOB site. The required fields are shown by asterisks. The site identifier requires a 3-letter, 2-number identifier, alongside a long-form identifier, the latitude in decimal degrees at the center of the site, and the longitude in decimal degrees at the center of the site. You can then establish the condition type of the site, where unknown is an option. You can then import multiple vegetation types, multiple land use types, and following this, you will import the admin information. We would encourage here for you to put as much information as you are comfortable with, but we recommend at a very minimum you include your name. Next, you'll be able to tick or leave unticked is publicly available, which will make the site publicly available to everyone that's not an admin to view all the information regarding your Eyes on the Bog site. You can also add associated comments. You can then scroll to the top and click Save, and your Eyes on the Bog monitoring site will have been established. Thank you for watching this tutorial detailing how to upload Eyes on the Bog sites. Please find on our page the second and third parts of this tutorial series, further explaining how to upload rust rods and surface level markers as part of the Eyes on the Bog program.